Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to switch your account type on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the menu option. Inside the menu, scroll down and tap on Investing. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section labeled Account Type. Here, you'll find details about the two account types, cash and margin. Tap on account type and you'll get the option to switch between cash and margin accounts. If you're currently on margin, you can switch to cash and vice versa. Just follow the on-screen steps to confirm your choice. And Robinhood will update your account type. And that's it. That's how you can switch your account type on Robinhood in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.